Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to disable push mail syncing to stop constant battery drain. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap directly on Apps. Scroll down the list layout and tap directly on Mail. Tap directly on the configuration row explicitly labeled Mail Accounts. At the bottom of your account index list, tap on Fetch New Data. Locate the primary configuration toggle switch explicitly labeled Push at the very top of the screen layout. Tap on the toggle switch right next to Push to turn it completely off. To ensure your accounts still update efficiently without constant background radio usage, scroll down to the Fetch section layout and select your preferred interval rule, like hourly or manually. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.